Hi everyone, welcome back to another Saturday morning mix. I want to say this is like my 11th or 12th one. I started kind of late, but I'm in with it right now. Okay, so everyone knows that Jill Norwood has hosted this, and I'm just going to jump right in. So I am using these cuties from CC Designs, and I believe now they only sell these in digital stamps. Not definite, but you can go over there and see. And one of the snowmen I kept with this color, so I didn't use it because I was struggling how to make that. So anyways, I didn't make a card with this one, but I did use these two. All right. And then I'm using these dies here, which came from In Love Arts. And I am also using this Ho 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 from My Creative Time. This is also from In Love Arts. So I'm using that die. And I think that's it for one of the cards. And then on the other card, I'm using still that same stamp set. I'm using this snowflake here, which came from Nittany's Crafts or Nittany Crafts. And on here, I am using the Fa La 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 in reverse confetti. This was such a great purchase. I think they still might have some of this. Some of these left, so if you want it, you might want to go over there and get it. But this was only like $10, I want to say. Good purchase. So that's what I'm using. And then my favorite die set here, which is from Elizabeth's Crafts. I'm using that. And then some of the additional items that I'm using is this white gel pen and its Jelly Roll, as well as these diamond stickles. And this one, which is patina, and glossy accents, which I kind of regretted using a little bit on the eyes, but yeah, I'm using the glossy accents. And then diamond dots. There goes that one there. So I'm using that number there, and that one there, as well as that one there. All right. And so let's jump in. I thought these turned out cute. So this is the one that I used the glossy accents on. But I thought the eyes turned out a little milky, so I didn't care for that. I didn't add it on the other one. But anyway, so I put the stickles on here. There goes one of the diamond dots, and there goes the blue one that I used there. I did snip that ho 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 so that I could spread it across the top of that card. The colors to color him up, I use Spectrum Noir and Copic markers. So yeah, I thought that turned out super cute. And then I just laid that poinsettia right there. It looks cute. I forgot to get out the paper that I'm using, which I can grab that right now, actually, because it's right here. I got that paper from this pack. Picked it up at Tuesday morning. Love that paper. It's such a pretty blue. Okay, but yeah, so that's how that turned out. Thought it was super cute. And then there goes the inside of the card there. And that's where I used the Gina Marie. And I added another strip going across there. Super cute. Oh, I did put some glossy accents on his little button thing there. And on the nose. Yeah. All right. And then this is probably my favorite one here. Oh, I thought he turned out adorable. So anyways, there goes that Fa La La. That's from that physics embossing folder. This is from Gina Marie. There goes that die set that I use from Reverse Confetti. And then this is from In Love Arts. Super cute. And there goes that other one. There goes that diamond dot that I was talking about, the green, and then another one of those little white ones there. Adorable. And same thing, I used the Spectrum Noir markers as well as Copics to color him up. So cute. And I did put some glossy accents on his nose. And so if you can see the highlights of the gel pen, I did add it on both of those. Just a little bit of highlights and added a little ground for him to stand on there. But adorable. I love that. And there goes the inside. All right. So these are my makes for this week. I will have Jill links down below. So if you want to go head over to her channel or hit that hashtag, and it'll take you to everyone's creations for this week. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day, and happy holidays to you.